mighty Mac. It's supposed to be over 660 machines here. Hello. Holy crap. Lake Huron. Should do a ferry trip while we're out here. Probably not enough time though. We're not staying another night, I don't believe. Next time I come out though, look at that whip. On Lake Huron, that's a great lake I haven't seen in a couple decades. There goes another one. St. Ignace. Ooh, track the mighty man. 665 machines for Trek the Mighty Mac. Mackinac City, Michigan. $665 machines for Trek the Mighty Mac. Mackinac City. We are going to cross the Mackinac Bridge. Your world heavyweight champion is here. Woo!
Golden age has arrived. We want you all to drive careful and safe and have a beautiful trip across the bridge.
Woo!
Donald Trump is your president, and the best is yet to come.
Woohoo!
At the Mackinac Landings, and that front here for Charlie Kirk.
Woo! Rest in peace, Charlie Kirk.
So come on over, bring candles, whatever you need.
Woo! Michigan, it's coming down on us now, but that's okay. Woo! Block it for me. Yeah, block it. Holy shit, it started raining and we are getting absolutely clobbered. Wow, on the bridge too. Wow, holy shit, Lake Huron smacking me in the nuts. Buddy, let me borrow your Kawasaki. Yeah, doors. bad boys, what you gonna do? Tornado warning? Tornado sirens. Weird. Oh. Woo!
Yeah, well,